What is up, guys? I haven't made a video in like so many months, but today I have my first Mystery Tackle Box Pro. Let's unbox it.
You're dead and blame it on yo. Bitch, I pull up. Okay, now I'm by my right leg till I say okay. K9 on his hind legs, ripping off your face.
After that short little edit thingy there, I've edited in so long, so I don't know how that turned out. But y'all did, y'all saw before me. Okay, let's get this thing. Boy. There we go, boys. Let's go. Okay, y'all get to see before me. Oh, my first Mystery Tackle Box eye. Oh, okay. So starting off right with a banger, we got a Boy Ducky Series crankbait. This is a 0.5 ounce, dives 2 to 4 feet, and yeah, it's got tournament grade hooks on it, and definitely maybe going to be using this. I forgot to talk about the Dibbles Digest, so here's that. The Dibble Digest gives you tips, tricks on what you just got in your mystery tackle box. Now it shows you each bait, what company it's made by, and how much it is. Yeah, and then as you can see, those little markers right there, that shows you if they made a YouTube video on it, and that's on the Mystery Tackle Box channel. So yeah, there's that, and then of course you get a little bass sticker. I'll be putting that on my tackle box, one of my tackle boxes. Alright, second off, we have a Bagley Twin Spin. Now this is good for fishing beds, for fishing, you can fish this in clear water, dirty water. That little chartreuse and orange belly will give off quite a bit of action, or quite a bit of attraction, as well as these little props in the front. Yeah, and it's an MTB exclusive. By right here, that bait is $13. We have some Biospawn Extra Swim baits. These are very good because I was running kind of low on swim baits, and they're 4-inch Extra Swim by Biospawn. As you can tell right here, it is the Biospawn Extra Swim $5.99. Starting off pretty good with the getting your money's worth. And I definitely think what's coming up next is going to help me, because I have absolutely none of these. I've seen them before, but it is the little hook bonnets. Basically what you do here, let me get a crankbait out here. So basically what you do, you just take your little crankbait, whatever you're using, and basically what you're doing is putting these little hook bonnets. I lost my train of thought. And you put it on your treble hook, and basically what it does is it saves your hooks from rusting. So you can tell right here, those hook bonnets were $1.80. Next, after that, we have a Catch Co Pro Series spinnerbait, and it looks good. I mean, it's got a mustad hook on it. It weighs 3/8 ounce, which most of my stuff I throw is 3/8 ounce, unless it's a little bit windier. Then I will step it up a notch to 1/2 ounce. But yeah, that's the Catch Co spinnerbait. $5.99 Catch Co spinnerbait. Looks pretty nice. I might have to put them on these Biospawn Extra Swim 4-inch. Maybe I have to trim those down a little bit, but it's all good. Next, we have these Chunk Tail Lucky John little grub thingies. I mean, I guess you could put this on a shaky head, throw it on some rock or something. I mean, they look good for clear water. I mean, you could put that on. They smell absolutely disgusting, but I mean, sometimes bass like that. So I'd put that definitely on a shaky head. These Lucky John chunk tails are $4, as you can see right there. And to go with that spinnerbait, we have trailer hooks, which is very good if the bass are a little bit more finicky and they're just nipping the tails of stuff. And you need to add a stinger hook or trailer hook. Oh, it's a 1-pack. That's kind of lame, but that's okay. These, it was a 99 cents. Yeah. Last, but certainly not least, are the Big Bite baits. What even are these? I don't really know even what these are. Let's check these out. It looks like a little shad type swim bait. Maybe imitate a little bass that's grown up from the spawn. Throw this on a bed. Maybe imitate a little bluegill. Throw it on that bed and just smoke them. Put it on a little shaky head or something. Because right now the fish are not up in the creeks. They're they're starting to go out to the deeper rock. Guys, that is it for the MTB unboxing. If you want to check out my next videos, make sure to subscribe so you can be notified when all that awesome content is coming out. If you did want to sign up for a mystery tackle box, it's basically a monthly subscription box. There's a normal version, pro version, which this is right here, and there's an elite box. I choose the pro version because it's the most reasonable. I mean, pay $25, you get $40 worth of baits, and it's just an all-around great deal to get new lures that you've never tried before. I've never tried any of these lures in this box, so definitely going to be looking forward to that slam in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment below, and I will see y'all next time on Dan F. Fishing.